My name is Dr. Victoria Murphy. I'm an independent consultant and researcher focusing in on learning from instance in the energy sector. I hope to see you at the Energy Institute's upcoming event on renewables, health, safety, and sustainability, where I'll be leading 2 sessions, each focusing on different parts of learning from instance. In the first presentation, I'll be talking about toolbox talks. Toolbox talks are obviously a great way of getting people from around your company thinking about incidents that have happened and how they relate to their own work. But it's not enough to just send that information on instance to people. You have to think about what they're doing with it when they get that information, how they're engaging with it in a toolbox talks. So I'll be offering some practical advice around that engagement to make sure the learning is actually happening. The second session that I'll be doing is a workshop on measuring learning from instance, where I'll be talking about what does learning actually mean? What are we hoping to achieve with it? What does successful learning look like in this context? And when we've thought about what success looks like, how can we know if that's actually happening or not? What can we measure? What kind of data can we gather? So really hope to see you at one of those 2 sessions next month.